Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. Topic Electronic Spreadsheet Part B Unit 4. Today we are going to learn functions in Excel 2010. What are functions? Functions are nothing but these are the predefined formulas, or we can say it's a built-in formulas used to perform complex calculations and analysis. These functions can be used in Excel worksheet with the help of their name along with the arguments in the form of cell reference range of values which appear between parentheses next to the function name. Let's learn some built-in functions like this equals to. We know we have to put the equals to sign before any calculations in the MS Excel. Sum is the name of the function. A1 to A10, these are the arguments which we will pass in this function. Sum. Sum function is used for summing up the values or adding up the values in a given cell range. Syntax is equals to sum, bracket start, argument 1, comma argument 2, it could be n number of arguments. Where sum is the name of the function and arguments can be cell reference, cell range or fixed values. Multiple arguments or multiple numbers can be used by commas operator. For example, sum bracket start a1 comma a2 comma a3. Then what this function will do, it will calculate these three cell numbers, or sum a1 to a10 comma b1 to b10, or equals to sum 10 5 4. It will calculate 10 plus 5 plus 4. Average. Average is used to calculate the average or mean of the series of sum. Syntax of this function is equals to average argument 1 argument 2, where average is the name of the function and arguments can be cell range, cell reference or constant values. Equals to average a1 to a10, equals to average a1 comma a5 comma a10, or equals to average 10 15 60 80. Maximum function. It is used to find the largest value in the series of number. Equals to max. Same syntax is the same. Equals to max argument 1 comma argument 2. For example, equals to max a1 to a10, it will return the largest number between the range of numbers. Or equals to max, it will return the value 5, 6, 10 and 4 between these numbers. Answer will be 10. Minimum, it is the opposite of the maximum number. It returns the smallest value among the given range. This is the syntax. Equals to minimum d10 comma d14, even 2 will return the smallest number among the values present in the range of the numbers. If function, it is a logical function. It means the answer of this value will be based on this truthness of this condition. Like if the function name and conditional test is the logical expression to be tested for its truthness. Syntax is equals to if conditional test, comma, if the condition will be true, then answer will be this true value, otherwise false value. Like if equals to if a10, the value of a10 is greater than equals to 10. If this condition is true, then answer will be 1, otherwise answer will be 2. There are some other functions available in 2010 Excel. Power, product, multiplies the argument, log to calculate the logarithm to any specific base, fact, factorial to calculate the factorial, count, date, today, square root, and returns the remainder value of a division. Thank you.